Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about morning routine today.
Oh, nice. Morning routine is a very good topic. It is something we all do every day, and it can help us feel better.
Yes, and simple words, too. Today is episode 67. We will talk slowly and clearly. This conversation is for beginners. Please listen and repeat with us.
Before we start the main talk, a quick request to our friends listening.
Yes, please. If you like our lessons, please subscribe to the English Podcast channel.
Click the subscribe button and click like. It helps our channel a lot.
And share this episode with your friends. That helps more people learn English.
Great, thank you. Now, let's talk about morning routines.
Yes, Zach. I will start. I like to tell a story first. When I was a kid, mornings were hard for me.
Oh, really? How so?
I would wake up late. My school was not far, but I missed the bus many times. I felt tired and worried.
That sounds stressful.
Yes, but then my mom taught me one small habit. She told me to put my clothes on the chair the night before.
That is simple.
Yes, but it helped a lot. The next morning, I did not think about clothes. I just got dressed and left.
I love small habits like that. They're easy and they work.
Exactly. Now my morning routine is calm. I wake up, open the window, breathe fresh air, and stretch a little.
I do stretching too. I stretch my arms and my back for 2 minutes.
2 minutes only. That is perfect for beginners.
Yes, short and easy. After stretching, I make coffee.
I like coffee, but some people like tea.
True, a warm drink makes the morning feel nice.
For breakfast, I have yogurt and fruit most days. Sometimes I have toast.
My breakfast is different. I usually have oats or a banana and a small sandwich.
Healthy choices.
Yes. Also, I try to spend 5 minutes on English every morning.
Oh, that is very helpful for our listeners. What do you do in 5 minutes?
I listen to one short podcast or I read a short paragraph in English. Sometimes I speak out loud for 1 minute.
Speaking out loud is fun. You feel your voice. It helps memory.
Yes, and it builds confidence. Even 1 minute matters.
Let's talk about different problems people have in the morning.
Good idea. For example, waking up late. Many people wake up late and then they rush.
Rushing is not good for the mind. You feel tired and stressed all day.
Another problem is checking the phone too long.
Yes, that is a big one. You check messages, social media, and time passes quickly.
So my advice is to wait 10 minutes before checking your phone.
Good advice. Use the first 10 minutes for breathing, stretching, or a small task like making the bed.
Making the bed is a small achievement. It makes you feel like your day has started well.
True. It is simple but powerful.
Let us share a funny morning story. I have a good one.
I remember the last time you told this, but go ahead.
One morning, I was very sleepy. I was making coffee, but I used salt instead of sugar.
Oh no, not salt again.
Yes, I took a big sip and my face changed. It was so bad, I had to throw it away.
That is so funny, but I can imagine you were not laughing in the moment.
No, I was confused. Later, we laughed about it. Now, I always check the jar.
And I once put my shoe in the refrigerator by mistake.
What? How did that happen?
I was cooking and my mind was not on the food. I opened the fridge for a plate and I put the shoe on the shelf. Later, I found it and I started to laugh at myself.
Small mistakes make good memories.
Yes, they do. They teach us to slow down.
Let us share listeners a simple morning routine they can try tomorrow. Something easy and short.
Good idea. Step 1. Wake up and sit on the bed. Breathe slowly for 30 seconds.
Step 2. Stretch for 1 minute. Move your arms, your neck, and your back.
Step 3. Drink a glass of water. Water wakes your body.
Step 4. Make the bed or straighten the room for 1 minute.
Step 5. Read or listen to English for 5 minutes.
That's only 8 or 10 minutes. Very easy.
Yes, and it can change your mood. Try it for 3 days.
Small routine becomes a habit after a few days.
Many people ask how to find time for practice. My tip is to keep it short. 2 or 3 minutes are enough to start.
And keep your materials ready. Put an English book or your phone with lessons on the table before bed.
Yes, prepare the night before. That saves decision time in the morning.
Let us talk about weekends and weekdays. My routine is different on Saturday and Sunday.
Mine too. On weekends, I like to sleep a little more and cook pancakes.
Pancakes on Saturday are the best.
Yes, and I listen to music and relax.
On weekdays, I follow my 5-minute routine. It keeps me steady.
Listeners sometimes ask about exercise in the morning. Is it better to exercise in the morning or evening?
I think morning exercise gives energy, but evening exercise helps if you are too busy in the morning.
The best time is when you will do it. The best habit is the one you keep.
Great point. Now, let's show some useful English words and phrases from this episode.
Yes, words like wake up, stretch, make coffee, breakfast, prepare, habit, and routine.
Phrases: get out of bed, open the window, drink water, make the bed, and practice English.
We will speak each phrase slowly. Repeat after us.
Wake up,
Wake up,
stretch,
stretch,
make coffee,
make coffee,
drink water,
drink water,
make the bed.
make the bed.
Good job! Keep practicing these phrases in the morning.
Now a short practice activity. I will say a sentence and Zach will answer. Zoe, I wake up at 7:30.
Zach, I wake up at 6:30.
Zoe, I make coffee first.
Zach, I stretch first.
Zoe, I prepare my clothes the night before.
Zach, I prepare my bag the night before.
Nice simple lines. Use them in your life.
Listeners can pause the video and practice with us.
Yes, pause now if you want. Say the lines aloud.
We want to share one more tip. A positive thought in the morning helps mood.
For example, say one good thing about today. It can be small.
Like, today I will smile more, or today I will try my best.
These small thoughts guide your day. They make you kinder to yourself.
Now I will tell a personal memory. When I moved to a new city, my mornings were lonely.
That must have been hard.
Yes, I missed my family and my friends, but I made a small routine. I walked for 10 minutes and greeted neighbors. I felt better after a few weeks.
Walking and saying hello is a great way to meet people.
Yes, and it made my new city feel like home.
I have one last story. When I had a busy job, I felt tired every morning.
Yes.
I started to write one sentence in the morning. The sentence was about one small thing I liked that day.
A gratitude journal.
Yes, but only one sentence. That one habit made my days brighter.
I love that. Small and consistent.
Now we will summarize the main points.
Point 1. Keep your morning routine simple.
Point 2. Small habits like stretching, water, and a short English practice help.
Point 3. Prepare at night to save time in the morning.
Point 4. Do a short practice every day. Little steps lead to big change.
Thank you for listening to episode 67 about morning routine.
We hope you learned new words and felt motivated.
Remember to subscribe to the English Podcast channel if you did not yet.
And click the like button. It helps us a lot.
Share this episode with friends who want to learn English.
And try one small routine tomorrow. Start with 5 minutes.
That's right. Small steps, steady progress.
Thank you again. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone, and have a calm and happy morning.
Goodbye and good luck with your English practice.